everyone, it's Melissa Rogozinski with RPC Strategies. In today's video, we're going to discuss 4 short steps to reinvent your events in a virtual environment. This will help us with social distancing measures and still meet our business goals. So when we're talking about these 4 steps, I'd like for you to think about why you attend trade shows and conferences in the first place. Number 1, understand your objectives. Are you there to demonstrate leadership? Is it to deliver educational content through speaking engagements? Are you branding new products and services? Or are you there for lead generation, or even a combination of all 4? Number 2, how do we replicate that face-to-face collaboration in a virtual environment? To answer that question, why don't we think about what the benefits are of video conferencing versus an in-person trade show? First of all, video conferencing can create a more intimate dialogue between you and your participants. It can also eliminate competition and distractions from movement on the trade show floor. And third, it's a significant reduction in the cost of actually attending one of these events in person: travel expenses, shipping materials, being away from the office, and other cases or projects that you may be working on. Number 3, how do we make a virtual environment more interactive? Well, our recommendation is, instead of doing a PowerPoint with 1 or 2 speakers, why don't you put together a panel of 3 to 5 presenters and make sure that all of your panelists are attending via a video themselves. This allows your participants to feel a little bit more connected with your speakers. And also, when you're creating your registration form, you want to get your first name, last name, and email address of your registrants, but also consider asking 1 or 2 questions about what the participants would like to discuss during that video conference. Don't forget also to use the live polling features, as well as live streaming your virtual conferences through your business's social media platforms. And finally, number 4, follow up. Use surveys to find out from your participants what they liked and didn't like about the program. What kind of topics would they like to see in future virtual events? And also, it's an opportunity to ask your participants, what of your services and products would they like more information on in the follow-up from your sales team? Also, make sure that you're using your CRM, marketing automation, and workflow rules to help feed the sales team the information they need from the participants at this virtual event, so that they can do better follow-up and make sure that your participants get the information they're looking for. I hope you all enjoyed today's video on how to reinvent your events virtually. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at rogo@risingphoenix.guru or visit our website at www.risingphoenix.guru. And remember, #make it happen.